Hello everyone, this is Ruchita. Today we are going to see some miscellaneous examples using the law of exponents from the chapter 13 Exponents and Powers. Example 1. Write exponent form for 8 into 8 into 8 into 8 taking base as 2. We can write 8 into 8 into 8 into 8 as 8 to the power of 4, right? And 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into that is 2 to the power of 3. So we can write 8 power 4 as 2 to the power of 3 into 2 to the power of 3 into 2 to the power of 3 into 2 to the power of 3. As by using formula a power m in a power m whole power n is equals to a power m into n, we can write 2 power 3 into 4, that is 2 power 12. So 8 power 4 is equals to 2 power 12. And the second example is we have few problems where we use this all concept. The first problem is 3 power 7 divided by 3 power 2 into 3 power 5. And the first one here, if we observe in the braces 3 power 7 divided by 3 power 2, here the bases are same. If bases are same and they are dividing, their exponents should be minus, right? So we can write it as 3 power 7 minus 2 into 3 power 5. If we observe here, their bases are common and they are multiplying. So we can add their exponents. So we can write 3 power 5 plus 5, that is 3 power 10. And the second example is 2 power 3 into 2 power 2 into 5 power 5. If we observe here, their bases are same and they are multiplying. So we have to add their exponents. That is 2 power 3 plus 2 plus 5, that is 2 power 10. And the third example is 6 power 2 into 6 power 4 divided by 6 power 3. If we observe, their bases are same and their exponent and they are multiplying. So their exponent should be added. So we got 6 power 2 plus 4 divided by 6 power 3. Here their bases are equal and they are dividing. So we have to subtract their exponents. 6 power 6 minus 3, that is 6 power 3. And the fourth one is 2 power 2 whole power 3 into 3 power 6 into 5 power 6. If we observe here, a power m whole power n can be written as a power m into n, right? So we have to write 2 power 6 into 3 power 6 into 5 power 6. And here their exponents are same and they are multiplying in the three cases. So we can write 2 into 3 into 5 whole power 6, that is 30 power 6. Here is the fifth example, that is 8 power 2 divided by 2 power 3. The first thing is we have to check whether the bases are prime or not. Here 2 is a prime but 8 is not a prime. So we have to convert 8 into multiples of prime. And 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is multiple of prime. So we can write 8 as 2 power 3. For example, if we have 6, we have to write 6 as multiple of primes, that is 2 into 3. In such a way, we have to convert any number into prime. And when we come to the problem, 8 can be written as 2 power 3 and whole power 2 divided by 2 power 3. Here we got 2 power 6 divided by 2 power 3. The bases are equal and they are dividing. So their exponent should be minus 2 power 6 minus 3, that is 2 power 3. And the second one is simplify the given problem. If we observe here, 12, 9, 4, 6, 8, 27 are not primes. First step, we have to convert those numbers into prime. 12 can be written as 4 into 3, right? And 2 can be written as 4 can be written as 2 power 2. That is 2 is a prime and 3 is a prime. 12 can be written as 2 power 2 into 3. And 9 can be written as 3 power 2. 3 is a prime. and 4 can be written as 2 power 2, and 6 can be written as 2 into 3, 8 can be written as 2 power 3, and 27 can be written as 3 power 3. Now, the first step, converting the numbers as base as prime, is completed, and the next we have to simplify. That is 2 power 8 into 3 power 4 into 3 power 6 into 2 power 2 divided by 2 power 3 into 3 power 3 into 2 power 6 into 2 power 3. First, when we come to the numerator, here the bases are equal. 2, their exponents should be added. 2 power 8 plus 3, 8 plus 2, and 3 has 4 and 6, and they are multiplying. So 3 power 4 plus 6. When we come to the denominator, 2 base and they are multiplying, so their exponent should be added. 2 power 3 plus 6. And here the 3 base and they are multiplying, their exponent should be added. If we observe in this step, 2 as base are dividing. If they are dividing with same base, their exponent should be minus. So 2 power 10 minus 9 divided by 3 power 6 minus 10. 2 power 10 minus 1 is 10 minus 9 is 2 power 1, and 3 power 6 minus 10 is 3 power minus 4, and if it comes to numerator it becomes 3 power 4. That is 2 into 81 is equals to 162. Simplification, second problem. Here is the second problem. 2 power 3 into a power 3 into 5a power 4. First we have to expand this. 2 power 3 into a power 3 into 5 into a power 4. If we observe here, a power 4 and a power 3 has same basis. So we have to write them aside. 2 power 3 into 5 into a power 4 into a power 5. 2 power 3 can be written as 8. 5 can be written as 5, and here if we observe, their bases are same and they are multiplying, so their exponent should be added, that is a power 3 plus 4. So we got 40 into a power 7, and the third one is 2 into 3 power 4 into 2 power 5 divided by 3 into 4 power 2. The numerator has all the bases as primes, but the denominator has 9 into 4 power 2. So 9 can be written as 3 power 2, 4 can be written as 2 power 2 whole power 2. If we simplify there, 3 power 4 into 2 power 1 and 2 power 5 are multiplying, which has same basis. So it can be written as 2 power 5 plus 1, that is 2 power 6. If we come to denominator, 3 power 2 into 2 power 4. If we observe here, 3 as base, they are dividing. So their new exponent should be minus. That is 3 power 4 minus 2 into 2 as a base. Their exponents are they are dividing. So their exponents must be minus. 2 power 6 minus 4. That is 3 power 2 into 2 power 2. 9 into 4, that is 36. Hope you have understood the concept clearly. If you have any queries, please visit www.intelify.in. Here, your queries will be clarified. Thank you.